Parallel Versions window enables you to view the same passage in more than one version, or to compare different passages. When using the Parallel Versions window, you can read the text in two or more versions in single version browse mode. To open the Parallel Versions window and load text into it, I'll go to Tools, then Viewing the Text, and Parallel Versions window. For example, if I wish to compare the KJV, the NAS, and the ESV, I'll click on each of those versions and then the Add button. So I click on KJV, then Add, find the NAS, then Add, and then the ESV, and Add. Now that all my versions are in the Versions to Display in Parallel box, I'll then click OK. The buttons on the left side of the Parallel Versions window give you many options for scrolling and displaying the text. Scrolling buttons by book, chapter, and verse appear here, and make sure to use these scrolling buttons to keep the verses in sync. But if they should go out of sync, you can always bring them back into sync by clicking this Synchronize Browse Windows button. You can explore the other options that are available to you there, including the option to display an auto-info window for any of the windows in the Parallel Versions window.